Welcome to this session where we'll be seeing something on how we can look at the assignments which are handed over to you through Moodle. Now, Moodle is a very powerful platform for both the student as well as the teacher. Now, when you log into your account, you will most probably see the assignment which is due in the near future. This is your calendar, and it also shows on the date which you have the assignment due. So you could go through the calendar, or probably if you just go to your dashboard, you'll be seeing the assignment in the upcoming events. You can also go in through your you can go through the course and also see the activity which is there. So in this case, it's an assignment which you have to submit. So let us probably just use the most straightforward, or the one which is very obvious. So here it says that you have an assignment due, and that's on your calendar. So we just say go to that activity. So you could have come to this activity also through your dashboard. Now you need to prepare your submission, and when you're ready to submit, you please go to add submission. Now let us probably just make a submission. You can just drag and drop, or you can take files from the files which you have recently uploaded to Moodle, and so on and so forth. But as of now, just make it a point to drag and drop, which is probably the best way to do it. You can upload the files, but please remember to use the upload a file option. The recent files and other stuff are those which you might have recently updated onto Moodle. Now if you remember, we have just now updated a file, so this becomes a recent file which has been uploaded in your account. So please do not send it to the private files or the other options. You could do this by simply going and browsing in the usual way, and you can change the file name if required. So your submission is done. Simply give save changes, and please if suppose it comes to it that your faculty member has told that it is mandatory to make a submission, then you will need to do one more step. As of now, I'm just removing this submission, so the submission is removed. Now let us take the case where the faculty member has given you an assignment and has expected you that you should press the submit button. So let us now refresh the page so that the newer settings are getting reflected. And if you see, now it has come to draft stage. So suppose let us say that your assignment was in the draft state. You simply need to give remove submission, and once you give remove submission, the submission is not going to be taken into account. Now let us go and give edit submission. And if you see, now the file has actually disappeared. So let us again do the same process. Let us drag and drop a file. You can do that, or if you go back to the recent files, if you go back to the files, you can see it in the recent files. The recent files also is gone. So you just need to drag and drop the file. So it gets uploaded. Once it gets uploaded, give save changes. Now the faculty member has given a mandate that the submission has to be, you have to very specifically give the submission. Now you give submit assignment. Only then you will be, you also accept the statement. Now when you give the continue, you get to this page. So if suppose it is insisted that you have to make the submission, make sure that your submission is not in the draft stage. Your faculty member has the right to reject a draft submission as not being submitted. So I'll strongly recommend that in any case, ensure that you get this green bar stating that you have submitted your assignment for grading. In this, we saw how we can make a submission. So basically, you have to know whether there's an assignment which is due, and that happens to come in the calendar. Go to the activity, prepare your submission, and then upload the work. If suppose there is no need for you to press the submit button, the submission is done automatically. You can edit the submission till the date of the till the due date. On the other hand, if suppose you are asked to specifically be pressing the submit button, make sure that your assignment is ready in all respects, and then press the submit button and confirm that you are willing to get it for submission, because after you submit, you cannot edit the document. So I hope you found this useful, and thanks for joining. Bye bye.